quickly go over the parts in this video as well. So as you can see, I've got the NZXT H9 Elite in white for the case. Motherboard is the ASUS ROG STRIX Z690A. This is a DDR4 motherboard. So the RAM I've got is the Corsair Vengeance. It's 4x16 gigabytes, so that's 64 gigabytes of RAM altogether. The CPU cooler that I have is the NZXT Kraken Elite. The graphics card I have is the NVIDIA Gigabyte AERO RTX 4060 Ti. And then I've got some LIAN STRIMER cables. I've got the 24 pin and then also the 6 pin for the graphics card. And the case only came with 3 fans, so I purchased a few more fans to complete the full case of fans.